Hello everyone, so it is almost 9:30 and today I'm doing a whole wear test review, tutorial, walkthrough, whatever you want to call it, for the Clarins Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector. Now I've worn these for a really long time, huge fan. They're super comforting, very nourishing, they make your lips feel really good. They only have like the tiniest little wash of color, so the difference between the shades, it looks significant like in swatches on something that's, you know, not already pigmented like your lips, but when you get them on the lips, it's not that big of a difference. All right, I'm gonna read through what Clarins has to say and show you the process of applying. Part makeup, part skincare. One lip loving formula. All the color shine of a gloss with the treatment benefits your lips will feel good about. All right, not sure how to pronounce this word. Acai. I'm going with acai micro pearls and vegetable waxes nourish, protect, soften, and plump. Smooths the senses with a delicate vanilla scent. Wear alone or on top of your lipstick for the glossiest lips around. I do really love the scent on this. I'm not usually someone who loves like glosses that have a scent that stick around a little bit, but this is so subtle and it's really nice. It's very sweet, but not like gross, sickly, like middle school sweet lip gloss. It's like an adult, nice, refined, sweet lip gloss. So I'm actually not working from home today, so I need to get going and I will check back in a little bit. Okay, so I'm sure you can tell from the sudden and dramatic change in lighting that it is much later now. It is about 4:20 and I have just gotten home. So I have obviously, there's nothing left. There hasn't been anything there for quite a while. But I did take note of what time the wear totally came off of my lips. So surprisingly enough, it actually made it through lunch. So I put it on at I think like 9:30 and then it wore off right about 1:30, which puts it at like 4 hours of wear. Which really for a gloss is not too shabby, not at all. And I will say too, I have this like persistent problem. I think I might like bite my lips in my sleep or something because I don't do it during the day and I don't pick at my lips or anything. But I always have this center portion of my bottom lip is always just like a little bit torn up and it's a little bit rough, especially if I don't put lip balm on at night, which I will admit I haven't been doing for a while. This morning, that like little part of my lower lip was so bad, like it was hard and gross and very chapped looking, and it's totally smooth now, like completely smooth. Okay, I pulled the page back up because I wanted to review what they say. They really don't say that much. There's not a lot of claims. So, blah, 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 blah. Was it shiny? Yes. Treatment benefits your lips? It absolutely did. Like, surprisingly, more than I expected it to. I never expect, like, lip gloss that has extra moisture in it to actually do much. And it was hydrating enough to make, like, a big difference in my rough bottom lip. It protects, softens, smooths, and plumps. I have a little bit of an issue with the, like, plumps your lips kind of thing that a lot of lip glosses say, because it is adding shine and like that wetness and it's covering your lips a little bit. So does it make your lips appear like a little bit bigger, a little bit plumper? Yes, because it's like an optical illusion. Is it actually plumping your lips? No. So because I don't have anything on my lips right now, I figured I would put it on again and do a quick before and after so you can see the difference of like totally clean, clear lips and then with the gloss on. So this is my lips with nothing on. Don't mind me looking in the viewfinder. So is there a difference? Obviously, yes. You can see my lips look nice and shiny and they look fresh and pretty, but are they actually plumped? No. But I will have a full review, write up, the whole shebang on the blog later today, lipstickaday.com, and I will see you next time. Bye.